Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm diving into why online digital marketing is absolutely essential for business success in 2025 and beyond. In our digital age, businesses must adapt to stay relevant. Whether you're a startup or an established enterprise, leveraging digital platforms is no longer optional, it's essential. So what is online digital marketing? It's all about using the internet and electronic devices to promote your products or services. Think search engines, social media, email and websites, all aiming to connect with current and potential customers in a measurable, targeted and cost-effective way. Now, why does online digital marketing matter? First, it's got a global reach. The internet connects billions of people worldwide, letting you tap into international markets effortlessly. Second, it's cost-effective. Unlike traditional advertising, digital marketing offers affordable solutions, even for small businesses. Third, you get measurable results. Tools like Google Analytics and social media insights provide real-time performance data, helping you refine strategies for better outcomes. And lastly, it's all about customer engagement. Online platforms let you interact directly with your audience, fostering trust and loyalty through personalized communication. Let's break down the key components. Search engine optimization, or SEO, improves your website's visibility on search engines to attract organic traffic. Pay-per-click advertising, or PPC, drives targeted traffic to your site through paid ad campaigns. Social media marketing, or SMM, uses platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn to engage your audience and promote your brand. Content marketing delivers value through blogs, videos, and infographics, building authority and trust. Email marketing nurtures customer relationships with targeted campaigns that drive conversions. And affiliate marketing partners with affiliates who promote your products for a commission, extending your reach. For effective digital marketing, know your audience. Conduct thorough market research to understand customer needs and preferences. Create quality content that delivers value. Leverage data to track performance and make informed decisions. And always stay updated with the latest trends, adapting your strategies accordingly. Looking to the future, AI, voice search, and augmented reality are reshaping the digital marketing landscape. Embrace these technologies to stay ahead of the curve. Personalization, automation, and immersive experiences will be pivotal in attracting and retaining customers. So, if you want to succeed in 2025 and beyond, dive into online digital marketing today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights. Catch you in the next video.